who would like to be more efficient. We have all these different concepts and mainstream thoughts like agile. Everybody's now agile, me too.
Hello, my name is John Poisson. I'm with the Vertex Group, and I am president of their subsidiary, RideTech Enterprises. I collaborate with peers in other industries, and gives a great opportunity to learn about how the technologies that we're providing through VICA apply to other industries.
I really enjoyed and appreciated the open communication amongst the teams and the participants around exchange of ideas and perception of use of IIoT inside of various industries, which were also outside of mine from the oil and gas.
Hi, my name is Kelly T-Bon. I'm the Vice President of Aftermarket for Hotman Inc. How is IoT revolutionizing our business? One big program that's supporting it is our HPredict predictive maintenance software program. It utilizes sensors that can detect issues with the equipment, alert you before it actually brings you down. Then we're also using AI to help provide solutions and recommendations on what the possible issues are for those problems and how to fix them.